Okay, firstly, let us see what is sprocket. A sprocket is a toothed wheel, like a gear, but instead of meshing directly into another gear, it partners with a chain. This teeth grips the chain, allowing sprockets to transmit rotary motion or circular turning between shafts. They can also be used to create linear motion or straight movement for materials. Sprocket offers some advantages over gears, particularly when working with chains. Let's delve deeper and explore into the fascinating world of sprockets. This is the problem statement of our research. Sprockets within chain drive systems experience significant wear and tear due to high load and continuous operation. This results in decreased transmission efficiency and increased maintenance requirements. This also potentially will lead to unexpected breakdowns, impacting production timelines and costs. The desired outcome of our research will be to develop improved sprocket design, and the project requirement is to analyze sprocket design. There are few limitations in this research, such as the material selection, cost, weight, and the machinability of the sprocket. Our targeted customer is manufacturers and operators. The overall goal would be to increase the power transmission efficiency.
Okay, thank you, SIRENJIVEN. I will continue the presentation. The next one is sprocket design. The preliminary design and evaluation of a sprocket is a systematic process that involves conceptualizing, analyzing, and revising the sprocket design to ensure it fulfills the needed specification and performance standards. There are a few steps that need to be considered while designing a sprocket. The first one is define requirement. Understanding the requirement of the system into which the sprocket will be integrated is the first step in designing. This includes considering torque, speed, load, environment, and estimated lifespan. The next one is conceptual design. Various concept design for the sprocket are developed based on the identified requirement. This involves brainstorming and exploring various sprocket design concepts. To achieve the desired performance, characteristics may be included. The next one is material selection. The preliminary evaluation select the appropriate material for the sprocket based on factors such as strength, wear resistance, corrosion resistance, temperature resistance, and compatibility with the operating environment. Material selection is very important as it directly affects sprocket performance and durability. The next one is geometry design. The sprocket geometry, including tooth profile, pitch, diameter, and spacing, is determined based on the requirement and type of chain or belt used by using technical standards, and sprocket design guidelines to ensure the compatibility and efficiency. The next one is CAD modeling. 3D model of the sprocket is designed using CAD software. The next one is finite element analysis, or FEA. FEA is used to perform static and fatigue analysis of components. This ensures the safety and reliability of the components. The next one is prototype development and testing. Sprocket prototypes are manufactured for testing and validation purposes. Performance tests are performed to evaluate factors such as load capacity, wear resistance, noise level, and efficiency. The next one is optimization. The preliminary design and evaluation process often includes iterative optimization to improve sprocket performance, reliability, and manufacturability. The last one is documentation and finalization. Detailed documentation including drawing, specification, test report, and analysis results are created to finalize the design for production. Ensure documentation is comprehensive and clear and provides guidance for manufacturing, quality control, and future reference. Okay, the next one is specification in design. Specification in design refers to a detailed description of the requirement, features, material, dimension, and other relevant aspects of products. This specification serve as guidelines involved in the development process to ensure that the final outcomes meets the desired standard and objective. The specification that need to be considered is chain or back compatibility, tooth profile, number of teeth, material selection, geometry, surface finish, tolerance and fit, load capacity, environmental consideration, and the last one is standard compliance.
Thank you Nurul HASANAH for the presentation. Now I will continue this slide with production improvement. Previous studies conducted experiment to enhance the design of the power transmission system that comprises the sprocket and chain. There are several ways to improve sprocket production depending on specific areas such as advanced machining techniques, for example, CNC machine. Next, robotic automation considers automating repetitive tasks like material handling to improve production speed. Lastly, quality control of automated system. This is by implementing four-dimensional check and surface quality inspection. This is to help to detect defects. Next is the sprocket material. From our mini project, we use a carbon steel sprocket at the bicycle. Carbon steel is influenced by the environment factor that is non-corrosive and abrasive material. It is the most affordable option that offers decent balance between strength and cost. However, it rusts easily and wears down faster. Ergonomic factor. Ergonomic also encompasses safety consideration. Sprockets are designed with features to improve safety during the operation. So at bikes, specifically involve guards or sprocket teeth with specific profile. It can minimize the pinch point where the finger of user can get hurt if they don't avoid the sharp edge on the sprocket. Then, a proper maintenance handling. In application where maintenance personnel engage directly with sprocket, the design should allow for effortless and comfortable handling. They also need to avoid any awkward body position. Finally, they need to use ergonomic handles or cut out for better gripping.
Dalam slide ini kita akan tengok bill of material. So, component, sprocket dan description adalah the point component of the bone, include specification, sprocket, number of teeth, ball, diameter, outside diameter. Second, we can see fasteners depends on the type of the sprocket, example screw, nuts and washer. Third, we can see key function to prevent the sprocket from slipping off the shaft. Last, we can see lock washer function to prevent nut or bolt from losing.
The application of the sprocket on bicycle is used to pull a link change to turn the movement of the rider's feet into rotation of the bike's wheel. It also plays a pivotal role in defining a bike performance.
From the conclusion of this mini project, we can see the sprocket may not always get attention, but it's unquestionable the unsung hero of the bike is slightly and transfer the pedal in energy into forward momentum.